Mga best friends, birthday ng anak kong si Kyla. Dito kami ngayon sa Noor Mediterranean Restaurant dito sa may BGC sa Burgos Circle. In-invite ko kayo dito. Ang sarap ng pagkain dito. One of the best Mediterranean food na natikman ko. Noor, N-O-O-R. So wala pa si Kyla at saka yung mga anak ko iba. Pero ito, Ivy.
Hi!
Anak ko si Anechka. Say happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Carol.
Nasaan ka ngayon?
No?
Anong food siya?
Oh, right now they're serving hummus.
Siyempre, may kasama ako. Maganda to, may tsura. Baka nilikawan ko to. What's your name?
Hi! I'm Priscilla.
May tsura. Mamaya. Yan, dinner lang kami for Kyla. So, mga best friends, dyan lang kayo mamaya. Video ko kasama yung lahat. Ha? Okay, bye-bye for now. That's my celebrant.
Happy birthday to you.
That's my kuya, Yuan, and my ate Moira. So we're complete. This is my eldest one. Dana, Kyla, what's your wish?
More money. Good health.
Oh yeah. Boyfriend?
No.
Your future boyfriend just had a girlfriend. Broke her heart, mga kaibigan.
Fortunately.
Feel sad.
Yeah.
It's
That's
okay.
okay. Maybe next time. Maybe.
Bukod yung anak ko dahil yung future husband niya, nalaman niya lang may girlfriend na. Di bale. Better luck next time. How about you? You're gonna have a boyfriend when you're 43.
No promises, huh?
No promises.
Oh, nothing.
Sige, I'll bring it down. 40.